Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy XRP on crypto.com. Alright, let's begin. Once you open the crypto.com app on your phone, go to the bottom and select the trade option, then press on buy. After selecting buy, go to the search bar and type in XRP, then hit enter. You will see XRP selected. The app will show you the exchange value of XRP in your local currency. To purchase XRP, scroll to the bottom where it says Add Payment Method. Select Credit/Debit Card. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, first name and last name, then add the card. Another way to buy XRP is by using Google Pay if you prefer not to enter your card details. Scroll down and select Buy XRP. You will see a notification about a 3.99% fee for card purchases. Select Continue. The app will display the fee, rate, amount, method, and total amount. Simply scroll down and select Confirm. So that's basically how you can buy XRP on crypto.com. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.